Hey, greetings everyone. Good to see you again. So in this particular video, I'm going to talk a little bit about another experience I had at a Walmart store in the Toronto area. And it's going to be, let me describe the story in sequence so that you will really, have the full context as to what really happened. So this is the thing, right? Just the other day, I had the wonderful, delightful opportunity to make yet another visit to a Walmart store in the Toronto area. Just browsing around in the store and actually doing my shopping. Was at in a particular aisle looking for something when I was approached by a Walmart financial services representative, and he started engaging me in a conversation about a Walmart credit card product, trying to convince me that I should really sign up for that credit card. Um, I asked a bunch of questions to him and understood that really the only incentives that they had in terms of trying to attract the customer were 2 points really. One was that when you sign up for the credit card, you'll get $25 in credit, um, on the card, so that you can use that $25 to make your purchases and shopping and do your shopping and whatnot. And also the second thing is that you will get 1%. That's right, you heard me correctly. 1% cashback reward. So in other words, for example, when you are signed up when you have this credit card and you use it, for every $100 that you spend by using this credit card, you will get $1 back, which is a very little amount. So I wasn't exactly convinced, that this is going to be a good product for me. But the guy, just kept persisting on and tried to really push. And in fact, it came to the point that there was another Walmart financial services representative that basically ganged up on me. So there were two of them now trying to convince me that this really is a credit card for me. And so basically, the thing is this, right? Here are the few concerns I really have. When you're trying to do your shopping at a store, for example, Walmart, these guys really, took up about a good, like about 10 minutes until I finally told them, look, here's the thing. So I asked another bunch of questions about, for example, um, things like, okay, well, when I have this credit card, what kind of protection will I have? For example, let's say I do sign up for this credit card and the credit card number gets compromised online somehow, and somebody else uses this credit card under my name, and whereas really I'm not the one that used it. And so what kind of protection will I have for that? For example, what kind of reimbursement policy, for example, that Walmart might offer for this. And the guys, were like, oh, we have this, blah, blah, blah. And, they showed me the paperwork for it, and point out a certain clause in that, which really wasn't talking about this kind of any kind of protection. It was really trying to sell another option, and trying to say to the customer, okay, look, if you give a fee like another, for example, $10 per month. This credit card, by the way, was a no annual fee credit card, but if you pay about a $10 fee or so on per month, then you have a certain, protection, and that's for another type of protection. It had to do with disability, slip and fall, that kind of thing. So let's say, you have the credit card and then you become unable to pay off the credit card bill. Then if you have this package signed up for, then essentially, you will be, like Walmart will cover you for it, and so you don't have to be paying the full balance, or sorry, you don't have to be even paying the partial payments for the credit card balance. Rather, Walmart will have a certain amount of protection for that, so that you will be covered, but then you have to pay a certain fee for every month in order to have that coverage. So anyways, I said to them, look, I have had some really bad experience in the past. For example, at Canadian Tire store, a financial services representative, told me a whole bunch of lies just to get me to sign up for the credit card. So basically, the way these guys really work is, as you might know, they work on commission. So the more people they try to sign up, for such credit cards, the more commission they will get. And so they are fully motivated to have as many people sign up as they possibly can. They don't care if they have to lie in the process. They don't care if they have to exaggerate in the process of doing this. They will do anything and everything in order to convince the customer and make the customer sign up for the credit card. So I told them all these concerns that I really had, and I told them, look, I've had such bad experiences in the past where simply the financial services representative was basically exaggerating and telling me a whole bunch of lies. Like I gave them an entire example, and yet it's still, these guys were like, okay, look, so here's the thing, so they were trying to. Now they asked a question to me. They go, well, you come to Walmart, do your shopping here anyways, right? And believe it or not, I'm going to present this question, and the fact that this is one sales tactic that these salespeople use on a lot of occasions, and this is the question they're going to ask you. Well, you come here anyways to do your shopping, right? And I'm going to present this to you in another story, another video, as to another experience I had at another store, in fact, at a restaurant, where the waitress tried to convince me to sign up for a restaurant gift card that has a certain minimum $300 balance requirement. That you have to pay at least $300 and put $300 at least as a minimum on that gift card in order to get that gift card. So put that much money, and then you get the gift card, and then you can actually, come whenever you come back to the restaurant, you can just swipe that card in order to, make the payment to the restaurant. So that kind of thing. You essentially get the same sales pitch from pretty much every salesperson that you're gonna find. They'll try to convince you. Well, you come here to the store anyways, for whatever you're shopping around for, and stuff like that. So that's one sales pitch. I go, well, you know what? Whether or not I come here is irrelevant, because this credit card is just not the product for me. These incentives that you're offering are just not good enough, and I just don't care about this credit card. I really don't want it. And so the guy goes, oh, this is your credit card really is for the customer's benefit. Seriously, that's what they told me. This is seriously for the customer's benefit. Walmart is not going to make any money off of it. Excuse me? Yeah, I said, Walmart is not going to make any money off of this. It's just simply for the customer's benefit. And I go, oh, really? Okay, let me get this straight. So here's the thing. Let me understand this clearly. What you're saying to me is essentially, you're going to roam around the store every day looking for customers, convince them to sign up for this credit card. And in the process, you, as a Walmart representative, will get paid money by Walmart for doing all these signups. And after all this, Walmart is not going to make any money. And I'm thinking inside my head, okay, who does this guy really think he's talking to? Because, do I really look that stupid to him? Honestly, as the whole world pretty much knows, credit card companies, when they offer a credit card, the way they make money, really, well, there are a couple of things that help them make money from those credit cards. And essentially, one really important thing about them is, the interest payments that the customer will make when the customer is not making full balance payment on time. And the interest payment is really how the credit card companies make money. And that's a known fact about this. There's no doubt in anyone's mind about this. So essentially, the same thing applies to Walmart credit card. Walmart is offering this credit card for that reason. They know that there will be a large majority of people who will just not be able to make the full balance payment on time, and as a result, Walmart will make money in interest payments that will be coming from the customer. So you cannot really tell me, even though as much of a stupid idiot that I look like, I might be having these glasses on and make me look like a clown or a total idiot, but really I'm not exactly that stupid. Yeah, there's just no other better way to put it. But really, I'm not exactly that stupid. Like seriously, if I look like one, but I'm not. Okay, anyway, so that's what I basically said to the guy. I go, okay, look, honestly, here's the thing. Thank you very much for trying really hard on this. I really appreciate all the hard work that you've done. I know that you guys are really motivated to convince customers to sign up, to make them sign up for such credit cards and whatnot. But you're barking up the wrong tree here. Honestly, you're not gonna get any sale with me. Okay, you're just wasting your time. And I would really highly recommend this. You should just take this and try approach some other customer on this, and see if you can convince them on this, because I'm clearly not. There's no way I can sign up for this. Okay. Anyways, and that's it. So thanks for watching. Share this video with definitely everyone, whoever you please to. Share it with whoever you want to help in terms of debunking the whole Walmart credit card myth about. Thank you very much for watching, and definitely click the link below and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because there will be lots of really amazing, entertaining, and true life story type events and stories and videos that will be getting posted here on my channel on a very frequent basis. And I'm very sure that a lot of people will actually benefit from watching this. Thank you. Bye bye.